What's up, y'all? So today's video is brought to you by Babala bags. They was nice enough to send a girl over a bag for me to review for them. So if you like to shop and be bougie on a budget, I want you guys to stay tuned. Y'all, when I tell y'all I struggled to get this box out of the shipping box, when I say Babala bags packaged this box, I mean, they packaged this box down to the nitty gritty. I mean, the box had a whole bunch of tape on it, and y'all, they did their thing with their packaging. I did damage the box a little bit because I was struggling. It was so much tape on the box. I was struggling to get the box open. So I did go use a knife and I ended up damaging the box. That's not Babala fault. Babala bag's fault. That is my fault. I am going to be reviewing a Louis Vuitton bag. I feel like the box is a decent box. Right there was where I messed up the box. And over here, I feel like it's a little discoloration on the back of the box, but who is gonna see that? Like, nobody's gonna see that. So when you do get your box, your bag do come in a Louis Vuitton box like this, and it do have the magnetic flap just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. This box is heavy, y'all. So when you open up the box, this how the inside of the box look. So you do get your Louis Vuitton paper. You do get a good amount of the Louis Vuitton ribbon, which I think is good. So if you want to re-gift this box, it do come with a good amount of ribbon. It do come with a Louis Vuitton envelope, and inside the envelope is just like this paper. It's supposed to be like your receipt. And it also came with this Louis Vuitton card. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bag out of the box. And that's pretty much all that came in this box. So when you get your bag, it do come in a dust bag like this. And the dust bag do say Louis Vuitton on it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bag out of the dust bag. And you guys know I like to review the dust bag. So I do feel like the dust bag is good quality. It don't feel cheap. It don't feel thin. It do feel thick. So I do like that. I would say the dust bag has a little bit of a slight smell. So when you get your bag, it do come in a plastic bag like so. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And here she is. The bag do have just a slight smell. Just a slight little smell. Like, it's really faint. Like, it's really faint, but that's not too bothersome for me. So this is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Empreinte. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Bag. So this is how she looks. She is covered very well. So I am going to go ahead and take off these coverings of the strap of the bag. Now, the dimensions of the bag is 32 by 29 by 17 centimeters. They do have some covering tape on the hardware, so I am going to take that off. This is packaged good. They get an A1 for packaging. Definitely get an A1 for packaging. Okay, I think I got all of the packaging off. I'm going to go ahead and take this little insert. I do like to keep these little bubble inserts so to keep the shape of the bag. The bag do come with a pouch. I'm gonna get into that later, but we're gonna talk about the bag. Okay, first of all, this bag is definitely giving high quality. Like, it don't feel cheap. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to be given. Definitely high quality. The stitching on the bag is perfect. Like, the stitching is definitely A1 for real. This is how the bottom of the bag look. And this is the inside of the bag. I do love the color of the inside of the bag. It's so freaking pretty. So you definitely get a lot of room in this bag. If you are a type of girl who love big bags, I would say this bag is definitely for you. And it do have more tape. So this little hardware right here, it do say LV on it. I'm telling you, you don't gotta worry about your hardware getting scratched because it is covered. What you're gonna do is just take the clamp and you clamp the bag, and when you clamp the bag, this is how the bag looks once it is clamped. So I feel like the bag do have a lot of space in it. It do have a lot of room. And the bag also do come with an inside pocket. So this is how the inside pocket looks. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then under it, it do say made in France. And that hardware do say Louis Vuitton as well. I do like the fact that that inside pocket, you have a lot of space inside. So in the inside pocket, it did come with a silica packet, and it did came with this Louis Vuitton, let's see, so pretty much like a little Louis Vuitton book, pretty much probably telling you how to care for the bag. To be honest with you, the bag really don't cinch in like that, so I probably won't even wear the bag like draw the things drawn up, because it don't really cinch in. The bag does not cinch in because the leather of the bag is a firm leather. So you're not going to get that cinching that you really want. Even if you tried, you're not going to get it. Even with the real bag, it doesn't cinch in because the leather is firm. So we're going to get into the pouch or the pochetta. I believe that's how you say it. So it do look like this. This is the pouch. The monogram print on it, so it definitely matches the bag. So as just like the bag, this one, it do have some taping around it. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. The zipper do say Louis Vuitton as well. And this must be the strap for the wristlet or the pouch, any way you want to call it. And this how it looks. It do say LB on it. So pretty much you take this in, you put it through like so it could look like this. You pull the other end on through like so, and you pull that down. Then you want to take this in and hook it onto the D-ring like that. So your pouch or your wristlet is this how it looks. So I'm gonna show you guys what fit in this wristlet. I do have my phone. This is the iPhone 13. I believe that's the Pro. I have my Coach wristlet wallet. And I do have my AirPods. Now, to be honest, there is a little snug fit, but this all that fits in my wristlet, and no, I cannot fit my keys in there. So just be mindful of that. If your keys look like mine, you may not be able to fit it in the wristlet. Maybe I could just squeeze it in, but I'm not trying to take the shape of the bag. I'm not trying to disrupt the shape of the bag. I mean, I can get it in there. It's gonna be a little tight. Oh, I got it, y'all. So I was able to get it in, but as you can see, I got it in, but as you can see, this is how it looks. I don't like that. So if I do use the wristlet, I am not going to put my keys in here because I don't like that bulky look that it gives. So just be mindful of that. So this is how it looks with just my phone, my wristlet, and my one pair of AirPods. I do have two pair of AirPods, but that's how the wristlet looked with just that little bit of stuff in it. How the inside of the pouch look. So I do feel like you do get a decent amount of space in the inside. I do like that. I do feel like the bag is more so higher quality than this. I mean, it is kind of similar, but I would say the bag is more higher quality than the pouch. But I mean, it's not an issue for me. It's not a big deal for me. Honestly, I do feel like the D-rings is like a different color tone than the actual zipper. And this, yeah, the D-rings is definitely a different color tone than the actual zipper, as well as this. I'm going to show you guys up close on what I'm talking about. I'm keep telling y'all, nobody's gonna know that this Louis Vuitton Neverfull is a dupe. Okay, come on. It's giving good quality. It's given, the bag is given what it's supposed to be given. Period. So I'm gonna show you guys how the bag look as me holding it on my shoulder. So I am 5'3", and this is how the bag looks on my shoulder. It looks just like this. This is how the bag looks if I just hold it like this on my arm. It looks just like this. So I do want to shout out Babala bags for sending your girl over this bag for me to review. I do think this bag is really good quality, hands down. The little minor issues, it's not a big deal for me. Like I said, who's gonna walk around and be looking at your D-rings? Who's gonna be walking around and looking at the hardware of your bag? Like, nobody's gonna do all of that. Like, come on. If you guys are interested in this bag, I will leave all the information down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check out the description box. And if I have a coupon code, it will be listed right here for you guys, so you could be bougie on a budget and save some coins. Period. Pool. But that is all that I have for now. If you enjoy bougie on a budget videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications, so when I do upload another bougie on a budget video, you guys won't miss it. But that's all I have for now. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. No, I'm supposed to be ending this video. I literally don't see no loose threads, nothing on this freaking bag. This bag is, let me show y'all up close how the damn bag look. Show y'all. Y'all see that? How the bag look? The quality of the bag. Do y'all see that? Quality of the bag is given. Quality.